Day 108. The projects were delayed because of Ramadan. Our contractors are fasting, and then we were away for almost a month. We had some family getaway, and we had some guests at home. So I would say that's unfortunate. That was a good pause, and back to work. So just small details. We have to cover this place that's left here. Also, we have to put some leveling concrete over here maybe, and then put the LVT, and then we'll have to put the medicine cabinet over here, mirror, and then I'm gonna move this to the upper side, and this is gonna stay like this. We're gotta change the hardwares and put the baseboards. This one was broken, and the replacement is over here. We're gonna put that on. Also, we're gonna be working on the crown molding, paint the backside, sand the sides, and then paint it again. Put the fillers over there, and then connect all the appliances. Basement mud is almost done, so they did actually a great job over here. Loved it. Everything looks great. So far it looks like this. Also, it's been cold a little bit. That's why it took a little longer for the mud to dry up. And once it's all done, we're gonna be painting it, and the carpet is delayed due to the mud. It took a little longer than what we thought it would take. So once it's done, we're gonna be cleaning up this place and then put a carpet on. It turned out great over here too, so we're gonna remove the 2x4 over here. And we're gonna move that 2x4 over here too, so that we can put the bifold door. Also, I have to cover the back of this drywall too, wall. So this place is gonna stay like this. We're just gonna cover this place up from here all the way. We're gonna cover it, and this utility room is gonna stay like this. It looks great. It looks amazing. I love it. I love it. And then this is gonna go to this place. I'm gonna have to purchase the extension like this so that it can fit all the way here. Stairs would be carpet. Small details over here too. I have to put the recessed lightings back on. Put the registers and cover this place up, and put a door over here. So we're gonna put some bifold door over here. That's what left over here, and then we'll have to clean this place up, and then possibly we'll have to put a concrete leveler. So that we can put the LVT on. I like the shower doors. Shower walls. They look great. I like it. Day 111. So The spackling in the basement is done, so we'll have to paint the whole basement now, and small projects left here on the first floor. So I'm going to be working on door hardwares, and then changing out the faucet, putting a new faucet into the kitchen, the bathroom faucets, and the bathtub hardwares need to be changed. So I'll do that, and some other stuff too. This place is covered up. There used to be a whole house fan over here. Alrighty, so this is how it looks like now. It looks so good. They did a lot of spackling, just like in overseas, but it doesn't have to be like that. But they did it anyways, so it was a lot of work. They could have made it thinner, so that we didn't have a problem here with, what do you call it, sanding. This one is better, so that we can just put a primer and then paint it. But this one is too thick, but it looks good. This one is like super flat, I would say. There's no curve, there's no wavy areas. So yeah, that's how they do it in overseas. But if you have this type of thin spackle, then it's usually like a little bit curvy, wavy, imperfections here and there. So this is how it looks like with the LVT on. Close off this space. Close this space too.